From the hospital, we had an update from Levi Kitchen after this crash in Daytona, which obviously was very not good. And man, you got to say, just the PC curse is insane this year. You think between Kitchen, McAdoo, Marchbanks, Master Poole, Adams, just like how many people they have on an injured team or from one team being injured is insane. But from his hospital bed, he said, quote, "It was unfortunate. Felt like I maybe found a new level of riding last night. There were some positives to take away, but I got a little bit greedy with that section. Just glad it wasn't worse. I haven't seen the crash, but I don't really want to. It was probably pretty gnarly. Thank you, everybody. I will be all right." Now, obviously, that's his update, but the apparent injury is a sustained a collarbone a broken collarbone and a couple fractures in his upper back in the crash. So probably out for the season. Let's be honest, or at least the rest of the Supercross season, he is definitely gone. If you've got fractures in your back, especially the upper back, you don't want to do anything to aggravate those or technically probably make them worse if you crash again. You know, being paralyzed is definitely not something that is worth racing injured or I don't know. I mean, you gotta say good for them. As far as I know, they put him on the backboard and took him off that way. They didn't make him walk like they have a lot of the other scary crashes. But I mean, this is just insane. I mean, in general, 250, 450, East Coast, West Coast, doesn't matter what it is. This year is bad with injuries. And as always, injuries every single year, whether they're a couple big ones or all the guys racing with some sort of little thing. But there's just a lot of huge well, big name title contenders in season ending or serious crashes. I mean, the the 250s especially just have been decimated this year and how many people are still riding or trying to ride with I don't know, just injuries that would put most people in bed for a month. But sucks to see. Obviously, was having a good year, and then they were talking about he was excited to go next week to the East-West shootout and see where that fell, and we finally were gonna get the Kitchen and Deegan thing, but hopefully, knock on wood, he can heal up quick from this and, I don't know, be ready for outdoors maybe, or the end of outdoors or somewhere in there, I don't know. But whatever, comment down below, tell me what you think. Did you like Daytona? Do you like the track or the race in every year in general? What do you think of whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.